Hello everyone and welcome back to RubberStamps.com. Today we are so excited to be partnering with Teal Cat Designs to create a greeting card. We are going to follow along as she shows us how to create a card with her Fresh Greetings stamp set. But before we get started, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more content like this. And with that, let's get started. The first step is to add a border with your die cutter, then glue your cardstock to the card. Next, stamp your citrus using this no-line coloring ink. Then color in the citrus with a medium shade of orange. Next, outline the citrus in a darker orange and add some shading. Then go in with a white gel pen to add details. Repeat the process and cut out your oranges. Blend ink around the edges of a white cardstock. Next, stamp the phrase, "You're the Zest." Then glue the oranges to the card using 3D adhesive and assemble your card. And there you have it. Thank you so much to Teal Cat Designs for showing us how to do this tutorial. Let us know in the comments below if you try out this card. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more content like this one. Thanks for watching.